Hey guys, this is Tharmi. Today, we will learn about time travel. We all cherish our memories. The human brain has stored so many blurred memories of our past, some good and bad. But mostly, we tend to remember the good ones and wish that we go back to the old days of life. Being a 90s kid, I have seen things from social gathering face-to-face meetings to social gatherings on the digital platforms. We have got used to this digital world, where we can raise our voice against anything in the comfort of everything through social media. There is no fear of anything. But somewhere when we are alone or listening to any song of the 90s or beginning of 2000, the memories come back of those years. I have always wished that maybe I go back to my old days and live those moments again. So one day while I had gone on trekking, I found this cave through which I enter and reached the other side. Whereas I breathe and feel the air the way I used to feel when I was young and small. As I turned back, I saw there was no cave, but my old home where I used to stay. God had fulfilled my wish, but my soul was the same as that matured and grown-up man of today. My body was of a child, but my memories of the future were still intact. I knew and a bit confused that I had traveled from the future to my past. I knew that many years from now how the world is going to be and how they are going to be without any emotion and humanity. For a time being and moment, I was excited about all this, seeing my parents the way they were young, the joy of going to school, and meeting the old young faces of friends who now just say hi, hello through the windows of their mobile, and sometimes express their feeling through emojis and only remember when the Facebook remind or WhatsApp group wishes you on the birthday. But everything has its limit. By the hour and time ticking, I started feeling bored with the memories I was been living. As I said, I had come back in time and in the body of young me, but my soul was of the present and knew about the future. We criticize and compare our today's life to the old, but we don't know that we have got imprisoned in it. Now, we love everything in speed. We spent our time so carelessly on YouTube or on Facebook and WhatsApp that we are hypnotized by this digital world and are so engrossed that we forget that we almost have ended few hours of life sitting at one place doing the same things of liking, commenting and debating on some social issue. And this everything is happening normally as my soul is functioning in 50/50ths, as we say that we can go back in time and change something of life, the mistake we did, but here I am only back in time with my soul of present, and the rule that I realized later that I cannot change what I had done before. So thank God for what you lived long back, whether good or bad. Stop worrying about the future and live the present to the fullest.